The plugged-in, not charging issue on HP docking stations usually stems from USB-C power delivery PD problems or power adapter mismatches. This video helps you diagnose and fix these problems. Recent HP updates have improved error diagnostics via the HP Command Center app, alerting users to PD mismatches. Firmware updates and some recalls have addressed some issues, but many problems are resolved with user-end fixes. AI-driven tools are emerging to diagnose issues autonomously, reducing support tickets. USB-C power delivery, or PD, is a protocol that allows devices to negotiate and deliver power up to 240 watts through USB-C cables. HP docking stations utilize PD to charge laptops while simultaneously providing connections for peripherals. Power flows from the dock to the laptop through the negotiated PD connection. Common problems include PD negotiation failures, where the dock and laptop cannot agree on power levels. Power adapter mismatches occur when using adapters outside the 65 to 240 watt range. Cable integrity issues arise from non-certified USB-C cables that aren't rated for 5 amps PD. To resolve these, ensure the dock's USB-C port marked with a lightning bolt icon is used for PD input. Additionally, PD must be enabled in the laptop's BIOS settings. First, verify your power adapter's wattage rating. HP recommends using adapters between 65 watts and 240 watts for optimal charging performance. Next, ensure you're using a certified USB-C cable that supports power delivery. Non-compliant cables can interrupt charging or provide insufficient power. Check the USB-C ports on both your laptop and docking station for physical damage or debris that could prevent proper connection. Try using a different HP-branded USB-C power adapter and a known working USB-C cable to isolate the issue. Clean the USB-C ports using compressed air to remove any dust or debris that might be interfering with the connection. Outdated firmware in HP docking stations can prevent proper USB-C power delivery negotiation, leading to charging failures. To resolve this, update your docking station's firmware. Use HP Support Assistant to automatically check and install firmware updates for your dock. Visit the HP Support website and search for your specific docking station model to download the latest firmware. Follow the step-by-step guide provided on the HP website to complete the firmware upgrade. Outdated laptop BIOS and drivers can also contribute to PD issues. Update your laptop's BIOS through the HP BIOS Update utility or HP Support Assistant. The HP Command Center app offers real-time error diagnostics and alerts for PD mismatches. Install HP Command Center to monitor your system's power management and receive alerts about docking issues. Regularly check the HP Support website for updates specific to your docking station model to prevent future issues. To access your HP laptop's BIOS settings, restart your laptop and press F10 during startup. Once in the BIOS, navigate to the power or USB settings and ensure that USB-C power delivery is enabled. This allows the dock to properly negotiate power with your laptop. Next, check your power management settings in Windows. Open Control Panel or Settings, then go to Power Options. Disable any power plans or settings that might limit USB-C charging. Some HP laptops have battery health features that prioritize battery longevity over fast charging. Adjust these settings to allow full charging when connected. HP Support Assistant is a diagnostic tool that helps identify hardware issues with your docking station and laptop. Open the HP Support Assistant app to access device information and troubleshooting options. Use the Fixes and Diagnostics section to run comprehensive checks on your laptop and docking station. This will identify any hardware problems affecting power delivery or USB-C connectivity. HP Support Assistant can automatically detect and install necessary driver and firmware updates for your docking station and laptop. Review the diagnostic reports generated by the app to see any identified issues related to power delivery or USB-C connectivity, along with recommended solutions. If basic steps fail, test with a multimeter to check the voltage drop, which should be stable at 20 volts for 100 watts PD. If voltage fluctuates, the dock or adapter is faulty. Check HP's website for support documents specific to your dock model. Contact HP Support for advanced diagnostics or hardware replacement if needed. Have your dock's serial number and purchase date ready when contacting support. The trend is toward universal USB-C ecosystems and wireless docking. HP is integrating USB 4.0 for seamless PD up to 240 watts and data transfer. Wireless docking via Ki2 is rising, reducing cable-related issues by minimizing the need for physical connections. Future PD versions may introduce AI-driven adaptive charging. Consider upgrading to newer docks with improved PD reliability or exploring wireless docking solutions to avoid cable-related charging issues. Check for sustainability initiatives when purchasing new docks.